If you're not from there, you don't know what the fuck it is. I was walking to the comedy club, and this is right here. Is a... And I was like, this cat is fucking the shit out of this cat. I want to see these two cats fucking, because the other cat is fucking like... And I asked the guy, I go, excuse me, what is that sound? What is that? And he's like, the guy from Louis, he was like, oh, that's just a tornado warning. That's what he said to me, that's just a tornado warning. And I was like, well, shouldn't we fucking hide?